that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that way to let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Tick-tock on the trading clock. Price jumps higher, don't be shocked. Moji rolling round the block. Rich is knocking, this is rock. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that way to let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead.
All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We have a treat today. We have Cloud on and DC. Good morning, fella.
Good morning, good morning.
Let's bring DC in here. Hold on a second. Let's go here. Let me just bring DC in real quick. All right, now let's see. Where is my DC? We need to have DC on here. One sec. All right, let's see. Where's DC? Let's go. Sign. Hey, DC, can you hear us? Hold on. Hold on. What happened to DC here? Video source DC. Here he is. Hey, DC, welcome.
Welcome. Hey
There we
guys.
go.
Good to be here.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, we got everybody on now. Let's see how many people we got watching. Hello, everybody. Again, welcome, welcome. Moji here. We have DC on. We have Cloud on today. Right now, you're looking at Cloud's charts. Welcome to the Friday Power Hour. We're going to be on for about an hour, maybe a little more, depending how good the market wants to treat us. And we are ready to go. What are you guys looking for today?
I'm trying to see. I mean, everyone knows that I am a perma bull right now, so I'm still looking for loans. I'm just looking to see if price will give it to me, but I won't be opposed to the shorts either.
DC, what are you looking for?
Well, I mean, we had this news, and then right after the drop, we created this zone between 50, which was 50, 55, 150, 155, which was very defended at first by the bears, but now we can see we're trying to stay above it. If we get back inside, that would give power to the bears in this zone, and then we got obviously this round number 100 holding strong. There are bulls there. I would just like to get out of this zone and do something else at the open.
Okay.
Full disclosure, I am currently in a long though.
Okay. Where's your entry, DC?
66.
There's a buy sign. I have a buy sign.
And it's about to be open too. We're opening soon.
Okay, TP1 just hit 2 seconds before the open, risk free. Let's see what it wants to do. Okay, out on the trail. Let's see, looking for another trade, but I'm gonna be patient.
Okay. Okay.
I'm looking to go long soon.
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting to. I'm waiting. All right. I'm trying. I'm trying it. I'm going to be very conservative with this. I'm going to go to break even because the trend is short. If it doesn't go here, then I'll go. Oh, it's very risky today. I'm flat. Oh, we do have a sell button printing. Mm. Mo, DC, what do you guys seeing over here, man?
We're stuck at the super cheap box on small right now, so I'm waiting for a long right now.
DC, how about you? What you looking at, DC? DC still here? Mo, can you hear me?
Yeah, he's still here. He's still on. He might be doing something.
Let's see.
There he is.
Candles looking like they want to turn red right here. Yeah, shit. Should have known when we failed to get above this average right here, which also happens to be the Asian yellow.
Yeah, once like we got it rejected a one, two, three, four times
Why?
before it
Yeah.
finally started shooting down.
Patience is key.
Mhm.
It's a prove it against right here and printing potentially.
Okay, I'm short 105. With this ATR, I'm looking for 120 points around. Let's see if we can break this 21 even level without any major issues, but looks like we're stopping. Like what I'm seeing.
I think Adam's long.
Yeah, I'm waiting till a new 4 hour.
All right. I'm looking to go long soon. I'm just waiting for the new 4 hour at this point.
Two minutes.
Ooh, you see that dump?
Whoa.
100 points hit.
Sheesh. Wow. That was nasty.
Oh, Adam's coming on. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can get him on the call too. Okay, hold on a second. Let's see here. Hold on, Adam. Be right with you. I just gotta get you on the screen. Where is? Let's see. Hey, Adam, you there?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Can you guys hear Adam?
Yeah.
All right, Adam, you're on voice, so
Oh, awesome.
welcome.
Happy New Year, everybody.
150 securing 100. Let's see how much we can squeeze out of this short. Let's see where the new 4 are. Ooh, already we are 70. Above 80. Above 80
Happy New Year,
is the
DC.
stop. Securing 130.
I don't think DC can hear us. I don't know if DC can hear us. If he's super focused.
Sounds like he's in a great short. Congrats.
Yeah. I might be going long soon. Or trying
Yeah,
to.
yeah, it's a massive opportunity for shorts today, and
Yeah.
had a great opportunity for an amazing reversal higher, but it's not looking good. I haven't taken a short yet, so I'm glad DC's enjoying it. I'm going to try another long against the trend with the idea that I don't have to enter again. But that'll be my last try. First trade went up about 100 points and then came crashing down at the open when I was dropping the kids off for their 2-hour delay. And then the second one lasted about 10 minutes. So I'll try one more long here and that'll be it. Everything's lining up for the short perfectly. I mean, you could just get into the short and ride it at this point. It just unfortunately for me, it's like once I see we're in this area, I can't play any shorts. I would already need to be in it. Now it's either you play the retracement, let the market come up, or and then play the pullback for a short, or you're playing the retracement long. How was your holidays, Mo?
It was pretty good. Not too bad.
Nice. Everybody's back in school now?
Yeah, everybody's back at school. It's regular. It's all regular now.
That's good. That's good. Supposed to bring in some more snow tonight.
Waiting. Oh. Maybe there's 900 down here.
Man.
The thing is, like, it's for me right now, it's teasing me because it's hugging the top of the kick box on auto. We have at least 50 more points down to the super cheap box on small.
Yeah. I'm just watching the 15-minute chart right now, and I'm watching the green extension, and that will take away all my emotions of trying to buy it while it's super cheap. You know, if we get that 15-minute candle below the extension, that it's not worth playing any more longs. With the enjoy the short. So just waiting. The DC can't hear us, huh? That sucks.
No? No. Oh.
And when I saw DC was on, I was like, oh, wow, there's an opportunity that we were talking like we used to back when we did this only on Discord.
He can't hear. He's on. Why is he can't hear us?
I have no idea.
All right. Why can't he hear us? He's on here. Let me just make sure. Yeah, push the 3. See, hey DC, can you hear us now? We hear you.
200 points. Is it
There we
enough
go.
for a Friday?
He's crushing the markets right now. He don't have time to listen or anything.
No, DC's on. Is it so? Can you everybody hear everybody?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we can hear DC.
Yeah. And DC, can you hear us?
No, he can't hear us.
Why is that?
The market is dying, man. Golly. NVIDIA. Oh, okay. My Amazon's pushing my long at me. I need a stronger signal. Yeah, DC said he can't hear you. We have red background. Not the Friday I want to.
Yuck. Let's see.
We got 20 minutes to go until 10:30. That's going to be the next time I enter a trade because I'm not taking a short. I missed out on this nice move down. I posted it in the Discord before the opening of this was going to be a huge move down today or a huge move up today, and I really thought I had the odds in my favor with the huge move up just based on the area before they open. It's amazing that we're able to go even lower. So I'm not going to get that huge move up today, that's for sure. If you wanted to go short and you're not in it yet, your stop needs to be at like 940, 950. You're talking about like a 60-point stop. It's just not, for me, it's not worth it because I can't see the result. I can't see the reward of that. So I gotta stay out.
I don't know why we can't make these see.
Yeah, we have red background. I mean, the Bears are definitely in control. Contrarian candles are on, so we would have to possibly wait or play a very, very small position.
Yeah, I'm just waiting, Cloud. There's no point for me. I'm only, we're in the purple box, so there's only one thing for me to do, which is look long. So just waiting. Just have to throw the white flag on the short and just say we missed it. That's it.
Yeah, that's always hard to do, especially when especially when I
Why?
played the, especially when I played the
It's okay.
longs. I saw the
Yeah, that's
and
okay.
like I saw the shorts because because in my head I was saying, okay, if we can't hold this level up here, which was
There's an echo for you.
echo for I mean it's echo for everybody. Like whenever hold
Oh,
on,
really?
Yeah, you would have to put headphones on.
Oh, really? I don't have an echo from Mo, so because Mo's wearing headphones. Interesting. All right, another thing I learned today.
it's like I want to try along here, only because my trigger candles and we're at one of my levels and the evidence line is turning green, but everything is telling me that we're short. The contrarian on the directional scope and the strict are both turned on, which has been one of my things to kind of stay out of a trade. But man, I want to try it so bad.
Yeah, I'm liking it. Just waiting. All right. Entry long would be now at 9:10. I'm not entering it, but 9:10 would be entry. There's 10 points right there.
I'm long. I'm trying it.
Yeah, I like it, man. I like it. I think 9:10 was a good spot. It's a good trade. Hopefully it works out for you and I'll get in later. Looking for price to come all the way back up to 21,040 to start. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So looking for price to come all the way back up to 21,040 area.
I'm going to break even now since I'm against the trend. I'm 20 points up.
See, that's where me and you would differ. Like when I'm with the trend, I feel like it's easier to give like even less space to it, because you're in the direction and it kind of flows nicely. But when you're against it, it kind of those ebbs really bad against you hard because you're
Yeah,
like climbing
I
this
think
mountain.
like, the contrarian candles are on. Um,
Come right back down. Come right back down your entry. Yeah, it's
I'm
tough.
flat.
Yeah, you definitely have to manage your trades differently when it's against the trend and then when it's with the trend. I think that's a big thing for everybody. Oh, so DC can hear us now. Yes?
Yeah, I think so.
DC? All right, guess not. All right, so good news. Microsoft turning bullish. Apple turning bullish. That's what I want to see. Mo, he said he's in the green room now. Sorry, guys. Cloud and Mo haven't worked out. It's DC and my fault. Now we're messing up. We're messing up Cloud and Mo's flow.
This is probably gonna go to 983. I'm gonna take a small trim here.
So this move up is happening while Apple and Microsoft are both bullish as well. I don't want to see any of those two turn negative right now. We haven't gone up that much, so I don't want them to be against us right now. Everything's looking good. I'm looking for 21,040. I'm not in anything. I've already tried the long twice, so I'm gonna wait patiently. It's only 10:20 in the morning. No need to rush, because clearly I got the direction wrong an hour ago, right? Even though my first trade went up 100 points, I overall got the direction wrong, and I want to ensure the next trade that I got the direction right and I can ride it for the rest of the day. Mo, I like the music in the background. Is Mo still there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my mic was muted, but I'm here.
Okay. Yeah, I like your music in the background. It's nice and calming.
That's the that's the point of it.
How's your trades going so far today, Mo?
I'm not trading. I stopped trading today. I got the direction completely wrong. Um, I was going long because of where it was on the 4 hour, and
Uh huh.
um, I didn't want to short, so I'm done for the day. I'm not trading anymore. To be honest, I was a little like it was a little too much to trade today to try to get everything
Yeah.
rolling. So I'm just
Yeah.
gonna reset, and recharge for Monday,
Yeah.
and then just I'm gonna just do it slowly.
Yeah. Makes sense.
You guys can hear me now, right? Thanks, Mo.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
We could always hear you. It was that you couldn't hear us.
Yeah, no, I did something stupid. Wanted to turn off my Ninja Traders take profit. Yay, we're sound.
Oh,
Gotcha.
and
Happy.
then all the sounds went.
Yeah.
All right, so now we
Happy
got
New Year to you,
everybody
DC.
on. That's good. Okay.
Yeah. Happy New Year to
It,
everybody.
yeah, Happy New Year's. Great start. Probably most likely done for the day. 200 points in the bag.
Very nice.
Called it even on YouTube. Can you believe it?
Hey, I love that. I love hearing that. We got 6 minutes of this 15-minute candle to go, Cloud, and we are coming right back on that extension. So I'm really excited to see that. We will not have a full 15-minute candle below that. That's perfect. Makes me feel really good and happy. Your trade's running very, very nicely.
Are you long as well?
No, just chilling, enjoying your long, and hopefully joining in here soon. This is going to be a great short opportunity for folks coming up, and I'm going to let that move happen first before I enter and join with you. I would like, if this long is going to play out, I would like it to be the last trade I have to enter for the day. So I'm waiting patiently. Microsoft and Apple still in our favor, so I'm really happy to see that. We got 6 minutes to go for this 15-minute candle to close. I really want to see this 15-minute candle close above 985. So
We're at a
we're right
previous
here
week's
at
low
985
right
now.
here, as long as a monthly, as well as a monthly level. I'm gonna take another trim. I just took another trim.
Great trade, Cloud. Great trade, like always.
Yep, 5 minutes to go. This trade's about 80 points up in the air from where it started. And this is only one 15-minute candle. So, nobody needs to get excited. One 15-minute candle. You're playing long. If you're playing long like Cloud is and like I'm looking to get in, then you're against the trend and you can really rest and relax and wait. You don't need to, oh, I missed the move. No, you didn't miss anything. 4 more minutes to go for this 15-minute candle. This is an area that bears are going to come in and short. I want to see the bears lose this battle. I want to see Cloud win this battle, and then I'll be joining Cloud's party.
Why do the Bears as a group have to lose the battle and Cloud as a single individual has to win? Because he's
He,
part of the
he,
TWA, right?
well, he's the only bull I know right now. He's the only guy. He's the only guy I got on my side.
It's like a cloud against a sea of bears.
I mean, if the market finishes today at 21,240 even, then we're basically at a wash of a day, and it's a Friday. So I still see this being able to finish at 240 still today. It's just I'm very impressed that it was able to push this low, and it makes me worried for next week. Yeah, we're at 21,000 now. 3 minutes of this 1 minute candle to go.
We're bumping up against the 50-second money zone. Also, monthly level here at 21,006. Also, 21,000 psych level. Also, the bottom of the cheap box on the auto setting. We're back inside the cheap box. We're already pretty much comfortably in the cheap box for the small setting. This 15-minute money zone in a bearish trend to me is very strong, I think. So I'm gonna move 2 micros up a little bit more. Try to secure some more just in case.
So Mo,
Yeah.
am I echoing like that too?
Yeah.
No, it's a Cloud because the way Cloud has his mics set up, he's far from his um mic where he sets up.
Can you hear me?
That's better.
Oh, that's much better, Cloud.
But you're echoing though.
Yeah. So
So I
here, future
echo too.
reference, guys, just get headsets. You'll be fine.
Wow. Okay, good to know. Damn.
Yeah.
Damn.
It's just because your speakers are picking up what you're hearing
Yeah, the
and
feedback
what you're
effect.
talking,
Yeah.
so that's what you're hearing. Even though I have echo cancellation on, it can only catch so much.
Gotcha. About 1 minute left of this 15-minute candle. Apple and Microsoft still bullish. We started this 15-minute candle on the NQ with Microsoft and Apple being bullish. And that's what's helped this 100-point move on NQ. And now we're going to see if that's going to continue here with at 10:30. This is the time period that I called out earlier that I wanted to enter my next trade on. I'm happy with where this 15-minute candle is going to close. I'm looking for price to get back inside of 21,040 and hold that marker. And that's going to make me feel really good for the longs for the rest of the day. And, if we have another rejection of 21,040, it's either take your short or go home. There's no more reason to try to play along. So if you miss the short and you're wanting a short, this is the area that you're looking for shorts at. From here up to 0.80. And for me, I really want a long, so this is where I'm going to look to get in on a long. I just want to see price hold this mark. If it rejects, then I'll just play a short and I'll close my computer and call it.
30-second money zone right here. We're approaching the another intraday key level coming up soon.
All right, here we go. 10:30, brand new 15-minute candle. This
should
is
come
what I've
down.
been waiting for to see.
Great candles are
here soon,
printing. Great candles are potentially printing, meaning the bulls are potentially taking over. Where do I want to lock in? Where do I want to lock in?
DC, let us know if you get any of those wonderful black algo candles.
Yes, they're black on the 1 minute already.
That's good. So there's a higher chance of that 30S breaking down, right?
They're actually green on the 30s, so yeah, if the bulls are pushing it, it's a difficult level here, but let's see if either start ranging or bulls have the
Do
power
not
to
say
like.
that. Do not say that. Do not say that. If we range, I'm gonna be very upset. It's a snow day here in Atlanta. We haven't had snow in a couple years. I do not want to range this early.
Um, I just entered the long at 21,032.
Where's your stop loss going?
Stop loss is going to be at 21,007.5.
How many points is that?
Enough. It's about 30 points.
Oh no! I was just calculating my own. No. I was trying to move my stop losses. I was only saying that because I wanted to try to move my stop losses a little bit. 'Cause I feel like mine's was tight.
One of the things that had me get into the long just clicked off, so I'm not happy to see that. The probabilities of my long playing out are very low now.
I disagree.
Well, I'm just telling you my chart, so I'm in it with you. I'm in it with you, but the odds are not what I like. For those in the mentorship, you know exactly what I'm watching and what I'm hoping it's going to do. I'm happy with this move
nice
right now.
push. Nice push.
Yep, very nice. Exactly what we needed. So hopefully other people are joining the party now, or more importantly, hopefully those were bears that were getting crushed. Because again, this is the area that bears would want to defend. 040 needs to hold. We need to break and hold, and then I know that this long will last the whole day. I want it to go up to 240 first. And if it gets to 240 really fast, then that's great. It can go even higher than what I thought. But, you know, I expect it to be at least a 200-point trade. At least. At least. There's no reason to enter along here if you're not looking for at least the 200 points. You're trying to scalp the markets, you know, just play the trend. Go take your shorts or, you know, do your little 2 point, 3 points, whatever whatever you guys do on the other servers. But if you're joining Mo's live call here, we like to trade for the big points. You just heard DC, our lead trader, nail out a 200-point short. You got Cloud already up 100 plus points in his trade. And you got this guy over here starting his 2025 trading up 2 points. So this is what we do. We like to try to get the big points.
We have a moving average right here, along with the 15 and 30-second red money zones.
Yeah, it's really bad that we got above 040 and then hold it. So I don't like it. I want to see us stay around 040, get above 040. This is my last long of the day. There's zero reason to get into another long. Just don't do it. Don't do it. 040, there's no reason why price doesn't go back above it if we're going to have any type of bullish move today. It's 10:30 in the morning. If we're going to have a bullish move, it's now. If we don't stay above 040, it's game over. Don't waste your time. Either take a short, right, and join the wave, right, and expect a new low and expect it to go even lower, or don't trade today. Do exactly what Mo said and just sit out and wait for Monday. For me, that's kind of what I'm leaning towards is if this long doesn't work out, is just take the rest of the day off and be ready to go on Monday. And I will start my 2025 in the red, sadly. This is my first trading day, but I don't think I'll mentally be able to take the short, so I probably won't do it, and I'll just not trade. There we go.
We're getting
Stay
a little
above
push
40.
here.
Just needs to stay above 40. I mean, Apple and Microsoft are still bullish. They're still in our favor.
There we go. Nice little push.
Yeah. If anybody's
Well,
in
you
the
trying it?
long
What?
with cloud,
Have you tried
congratulations.
them out?
I'm 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 in a practice trade. I'm not in any live trades. So like the practice accounts.
I'm gonna move my TP.
Paper trade as you call it.
I want to move my TP up to 21,400 just to have it out of the way. Realistically, I'm looking for 21,240 to start. And again, all that hinders on if we're going to stay above 0.40. If we stay above 0.40, then I do think that 200 points is extremely reasonable. And 21,400 not out of the question. It just depends on how fast we can get to 240.
All right, we're back in a nice area that I wanted to see.
You know, as I look back on from the open to now, like I can see just waiting for the
Oh,
new
look
four
where we're
hour.
at. Yeah,
That's
look where we're at.
basically
Look where we're at.
waiting for the new 4 hour. I'm gonna note that down.
A big shout out to DC's layout, right? Like I enjoyed being able to ask him, hey, are your candles black? And he said yes. And I was like, oh, good. That means there's a higher chance that, that the 30S, money zone can break, right? And he's like, yeah, it's tough to say, but yeah, that's right. And it's broken.
Yeah,
So
it flipped.
I do.
It flipped properly.
Yeah, I enjoy DC's layout. It's a very nice way to look at the market. I love trading with the probability mindset, and that layout definitely gives you a probability mindset. So, if you're a
Especially
newer
at
trader,
zones of confluence. That's
yeah, yep. If you're a newer trader and you want something extremely mechanical and very rinse and repeat, I would definitely be checking out DC's layout. It's available for you to review for free in our Discord, and then if you like what you reviewed, you pay for the indicators, and you execute what you reviewed.
Michael said he still uses his PS4 headset from 9 years ago. That's what you guys need. You need to find your old gamer headsets from back in the days. All right, so now we have. This is hopefully what the live call will be. Different variations going forward. We will have everyone's chart shown on different days. Hopefully they. The reason why, like, yes, you could see. I'll put on Cloud's chart right now. But I think the issue has been fixed by the streaming service, so we can get everyone's. Let me just keep it like that because I don't want to mess up the audio right now. I'll just keep my chart up for now.
Yeah, one thing, Mo, I want to talk to you about is maybe if we do like a segmented live stream where, at some point I get on and it's just about the outlook for the rest of the day. Like maybe, my window is at like 10 a.m. to 10:30 or something. I'm like, here's what the open did, and here's what I think we can do for the rest of the day. You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely. We could do all that, and we can have it all set up so it gives everybody the right platform and people can tune in. We'll make the schedule up and I will post it on the Discord. So this way everybody knows what times things are going to be coming up. So, we understand people, you may be working, you may have other things to do, or you may be on the road. And if you want to see certain segments, we're going to have that posted for you so you can see it.
All right, remember what I said, guys. If we're failing to stay above 040, there's no reason to look for longs. So we haven't gotten really any pain in this long trade. Let's see if we're going to get some now or if it's going to be nice to us.
Please be nice to us.
Unfortunately, all the liquidity that I see is hovering around the new 30-second money zone from 970 down to 915.
The fun is done for
good.
now.
It's not good.
Well, your money zone is so wide?
Me?
No.
Okay.
But I think we come down though.
960 to 930, but that's not all the liquidity that we have. It's
No,
just
no,
the
no,
majority
there's
of it.
more. Yeah. Yeah, that's why, because I had like 920 as a level also of interest, but the 30s money zone is much more narrower.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see now.
But if we go all the way back to 920, a lot of bulls are gonna be disappointed.
We're right at the 4 hour. Let's see if we can hold this 4 hour. I don't think we can though. I think we come back down potentially for a little bit more liquidity back up.
If we get our retest of 040 and we see that it held nicely, then I'm going to look to add in heavy. Here comes 040 really 040. Fast.
I see why yours is 040. Mine is 30. Mine is 30. I mean, same. I mean, pretty much same thing. We're pretty much looking for the same.
Yep.
Oh man, this is potentially very bad.
I know.
Potentially very, very bad.
Or potentially amazing.
Or potentially, probabilistically, supercalifragilistic. Yeah.
It's definitely enough to stay in the trade. This is where a lot of newer traders would be scared. They'll look to exit. No, you got to stay in. Find things that help you. And definitely one thing that helps me a lot is looking at Microsoft and Apple. If you're trading the NASDAQ, look at Microsoft and Apple. I have a special algo that I'm using that I've built that can help me very, very easily see if Microsoft is bullish or bearish, and it has zero to do with price action. So it doesn't matter if we're making lows, we can be bullish. Making highs can be bearish, or we could be at a high and still be bullish, whatever. But that really, really helps me know to stay into the trade. So now that we had our nice little retest of 040 and we're back to 70, now we are looking for it to come inside of 070 and stay in 070, work its way up to 200 from 070 and then to 240. What link is that, Mo? Ourshow.live.
That's the one to be a guest. Is that the one
Because
that's
it's
on
on
here?
the
Oh,
YouTube.
hold on.
It's on for everybody to click it.
That's all right. No,
Yes.
hold on.
I think you
Yes.
put it in the actual YouTube chat.
Yeah, it's all right. I can change it. No big deal.
Going.
No, it's fine. I didn't know if you wanted a bunch of random people joining the show. I mean, if you did, that's
Well,
cool.
nobody would have
Yeah,
known until you
special
said
guest. I was just wondering. I was like, "What's that link for?"
Yeah, I just gotta go to the studio.
Keep going, keep going. This is VWAP. This is VWAP. This is VWAP. This is VWAP. So if you did enter when Adam called it out, you can start protecting yourself. I just took that scalp off. Perfect freaking scalp. I love that. All right, so
Congratulations.
I take that heavy too.
Congratulations. Now that we're above 070 again, we're looking for 200.
Oh
We're looking
wow,
for
that is
21
100
200.
separate accounts that I just hit.
Very nice. Very nice.
Felt good. God damn, patience is key. DC said it right, man.
Like I said, Cloud. There's no reason to be sad we missed the short. You know, just gotta wait. Just gotta wait.
All right, all right, all right, all right. We like it. All right, so on those original two accounts, I'm in runners. I'm only in 2 micros in each account. I want to see if I can hold this the whole entire day.
No. That's the point, Cloud. That's what I said.
What?
Yes, sir.
Oh, don't
Yes, sir.
don't enter this trade if you can't hold it for 100 points.
No. Don't enter this trade if you're not looking to hold it the whole day. We're looking for over 200 or more points. You know, first exit is 21,240, and the second one is 21,400. Like, yes, sir. I agree with you. Look to hold it the whole damn day. It's the whole point of getting in it.
Yeah, when I went in with you guys again, paper trading. It already hit 100 points, so now it's this is just training to hold trades like this. Now, do I wish?
We're against
kinda.
We're against the trend. We're against the long is against the trend. You know, it's not fun. I didn't want it to play out this way. I was up 100 points before they opened and dropping the kids off at school and came back and saw that it went against me. If we can't stay above 070, I'm going to be very sad because then that means there's a chance for 040 again. So here comes 070 right now. And if we can't stay above the 070 marker, just, you know, understand you're against the trend, and, you know, there's a good chance we get another touch of that 040. And, you know, trade your accounts. You guys decide where you want to take your profits at. You know, for me, I enter this trade with one thought in mind. If you're wanting to stay in the trade with me, your stop needs to be below 040. Again, it's not financial advice. It's just how I'm doing it. You do it your way. But your stop has to be under 040. 0228, 0228, 025, 020, 018 is the location that I see of ultimate invalidation of my long idea. Remember, this is the last long I'm taking for the entire day. There's zero reason to take another long today.
I just did something stupid, so I'm locking myself out of those two accounts. Don't kill me. Okay.
All
But
right, here comes 040 again. This is where I'm going to look to go heavy if 040 holds again.
we have red backgrounds potentially printing just to be on, just keep that in mind.
This is what I was talking about when I said this is potentially very bad.
Hmm.
And
Yeah, sell
also we
sign on the
got,
Gabby sign.
yeah, according to my settings, sell bottom, yeah.
I'm locking myself out of this account. I shouldn't have trailed my stop so tight. That was my fault.
This is the first time in clouds long that Apple and Microsoft
Oh no,
are
Cloud is
bearish.
flat. Adam, Cloud, I'm flat.
Cloud's been
I,
out.
yeah, I'm flat. I felt my
So
stops too tight, and I just locked myself out of those two accounts because I didn't listen. I should have just moved at least one of those micros to break even. And I looked at my P&L on those runners, and I was like, man, this is a bill. So I just took it.
yeah. So the I guess the point I was trying to make is this the first real painful move in that really nice move up where Microsoft and Apple both went bearish, and you can see what NQ's doing. And what I would have preferred is when Apple and Microsoft did go bearish, is that we could have stood above 070 and at least 040. I hate that these two big stocks went bearish and right away we went under 040. That's terrible. That is terrible. I'm
I
still
wouldn't
I'm
be.
still in the long. I'm still in the long. This is again, I've had one trade that's been up over 100 plus points. I got nothing out of it. This one has been up over almost 90 points, and I got nothing out of it again. So it's going to be one of those days. It looks like we're seeing. I have my finger on the button because I have a potential setup that I'm watching, and if it plays out, I'll be able to enter the long heavy while the micro is running. So we'll see. We will see.
I wouldn't be super worried unless the algos turn red.
All right, here we go. We clipped 040. We climbed above it by 3 points and went back under. I hate that. So this is my painful moment in my long right now. And I'm looking to add into it if this plays out the way I want it to. And that'll be my fourth entry of the day, my first one going heavy. Apple and Microsoft are still bearish while we're playing at the 040 mark, and I would like to be above 040 while they're bearish. Yeah. Like I said, if we couldn't stay above 040, no reason to take longs for the rest of the day, and it looks like that's what's going to happen. My setup is starting to fail, and I am out of that long trade, and that means no more longs for the day for me. DC's setup, we're coming right at that 30-second algo marker, money zone marker, so,
Oh,
I
we're
think
at
with
it.
DC's layout, you might be able to get a nice one.
Yeah, so we just wicked it in a
Yeah.
month. But all the evidence lines are red. 5 second might turn green, but I don't trust it.
We have potential red algos.
11 o'clock is coming up. After that, it's gonna be my favorite time. 11:30. That London close.
Whole move up in NQ. Microsoft and Apple bullish. Whole move down on NQ. Microsoft and Apple bearish.
Okay.
We're hugging the cheat box on the auto setting, and we happen to wick off a previous weekly low and also a monthly level at 983.
Yeah, if we stay below here,
Yeah, I mean, for me, like I said, there's no more longs for me. It's out of the question.
if we get it.
Oh, look at ES and YM. They're making, yeah. So ES and YM are both making this way down aggressively right now. So ES did wick the top. I mean, the bottom of its 1 minute money zone and came down. Mm. All three tickers, ES, YM, and Nasdaq, are potentially trying to print very strong bearish candles right here. So this means that we can definitely test the previous New York session low and, in fact, make newer lows.
Let's go.
You sure?
He never left. No.
Obviously. Obviously.
There's
If you look-
DC. There's DC. That's
if
the
you
DC
look,
we all know.
if you look at the scalp I took and
And
why,
love. You forgot to say love.
And love, yes. In short, had no idea it's a go short. That's what all the audio troubles were, guys. Just so everybody knows.
No. Right. Gonna use that excuse.
Perfect. Go ahead, Cloud.
no, I was saying if you look at the at the long at the scalp that I took and the trim I had, it was right at VWAP, and there's another level there, another intraday level that was close there that we couldn't really break above. But the fact that we had VWAP right here, I just knew that it's like I knew we needed some type of pullback in order for us to make another leg up. But to what Adam has been saying, it looks like the longs may be out.
Yeah, if we stay below, like for sure, if we stay below this area, it we can head further down. We can get. I think we can head into the middle of the super cheap box on small.
And I locked myself out of those accounts. I have one more account that I could, one more funded account on top of that I could trade. I have one micro hovering on one micro. I may listen to Adam this time and just take one micro and hold it. Let's see if we can test his 900 down here again. 901, 905, one more time. if we can potentially get below 934, there's no reason why we shouldn't get a nice strong 30-point move down to 901. And if that doesn't hold, there's absolutely I don't see any reason why we can't get to 835 down here. I'm giving out those levels as potential trimmers if you do want to go short. Again, my eyes have been glued to the longs for damn near 3-4 months now, so it's like that's all I can really see, which sucks. Hmm. I haven't been able to play. I mean, I played shorts here and there, but it's been like little scalps, nothing too crazy. Like 20 points here, 15 points here, 30 points there. Like I want that 100 point, short that DC called today. That would have been nice. Hey Adam, what are you thinking here?
Yeah. No, I mean, I like I told you guys, there was no reason for price to be underneath 040 again, 21,040, and if it were to get below 040, there's no reason for any more longs for the day. Zero.
Okay, just give
Don't
me
fight it. Don't
040
play
and I'll be
against
happy.
it. Yeah, yeah. There's zero reasons to go long here. We got 4 minutes left of this 5-minute candle. Let me triple check. Yeah, I mean, just to confirm that statement, we have about 9 minutes left, and then we'll be underneath 985 on a full 15-minute candle. So if you're still wanting to be bullish for whatever reason, you got 9 minutes really, I'd say, until you can kind of confirm that direction. But I think like I said, when I first entered that long trade, it's done.
What sucks about that 9 minutes is that 9 minutes is nowhere close to 11:30. Like
Yeah.
that's the only thing that sucks. But a little bullish pressure here. I don't think it's gonna last long.
I mean, there's going to be a lot of enticing things that you see on your chart. We're going to be very dirt cheap for 3 hours. We're going to be extremely cheap for 3 hours. People are going to be very interested in buying. And I think this is the day that those people get wrecked. So it's better not to take any more longs for the rest of the day. I feel very confident saying that. Do I think the market's going to end at 21,240 now? No, I don't think 21,240 is going to happen. So the opposite of that is us falling to 21,007. I'm sorry, 20,700. So
I wanted to get to 835 first before I say 700 because that 700 seems kind of lofty right now. But it's Nasdaq. It's Fridays. We know Fridays trend. That's kind of why I'm disappointed because the shorts were definitely in our face. Mm. We have a previous monthly low right here at 939, so you will have some potential buyers stepping in soon. But I don't know if the Bears. I mean, we're trending short pretty much. That's what I'm saying. Trending short. So if you do want to play along, you have to make sure that you
Come
are
on,
protecting
come on,
yourself.
come on.
no, again, I'm just letting everybody know I completely disagree with anybody taking long.
Except Cloud.
Exactly. Yeah. Like set me. And like one of my mottos is, F the noise, trade your start. F the noise, trade your start. So
That's
everybody
because
may
we
be,
need the liquidity short. So go along.
but to
Yeah.
me,
I mean, if you're scalping, it's fine for the longs. Cloud likes to trim. He does a very good job protecting himself. But for the masses of people out there, if you're
that's
not
true.
good with risk management, you're gonna get crushed.
Yeah.
Yeah. I 1000% agree with that.
No, I agree. I agree with that as
Cloud
well.
is super. He's really good at trimming his trades very quickly. Very quickly.
Okay, 100 points hit. Finally.
Nice. Did you take it and go, or are you gonna let it run?
No, I want to be done.
Oh, okay.
I want to be done because it's late. Tomorrow I have to wake up early. Even if it's Saturday, work calls.
All right. So with that, Adam, just give us a quick last words on what you're seeing, and
Um, I don't want to sound like I'm on a repeat or anything, but no longs for the rest of the day. If we magically somehow get above 21,040 again, and you want to take it, then be my guest. If you see any retests around 015, 985 area, play the shorts. In this 4-hour candle, I like to see price come all the way down to 770. Probably end of the day around 700 or 680 is what I see. Yeah, that's what I got.
all right. Cloud, anything you want to end off with?
No, just to protect yourself, have fun. It's a snow day in the south, and just have fun, man.
All right. DC.
Oh, thanks to everybody that tuned in. Happy I was able to, at least on a few trades, on the first trades, I was able to, swallow my emotions and then call out the trades. Happy they worked out. Coincidentally, it's nothing to do with skill whatsoever. And yeah, hope. It's all luck. Hope we'll be able to figure something out with Mo for the next period, so that you guys can enjoy my charts. And yeah, hope you had a good week, and let's keep this momentum, because it has been the best start of any year so far. So I want to keep that going.
Excellent. All right. Yes, and I will end it off here saying thank you everybody for joining. Remember, we trade live every day, Monday through Friday, starting at 9:20. You will see everybody's charts eventually on here as we get things rocking and rolling. Thank you again, and always please remember, stay patient, trade your chart, and have a great weekend. I'll see everybody on Monday. Take care.
All right, take care, you guys.
Bye.